Welcome to our channel. If you want to install apps on both Firestick and Android TV using a hidden downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick or Android TV device and search for the downloader app. Install it. Step 2. Launch the downloader app and click on the URL input field displayed on screen. Step 3. Enter the hidden downloader code that works on both platforms and press Go to begin downloading. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download fully. The progress indicator shows download status. Step 5. When download completes, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to finish, then click Done. Delete the APK file if desired. Step 7. Go back to your device home screen and locate the newly installed app in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and enjoy streaming content on either Firestick or Android TV. This versatile code works seamlessly on both platforms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.